In this tutorial guys, I'm going to talk about how you can install Python on your Windows machine and how you can configure Python IDE. So stay tuned, let's get started. Alright guys, so to install Python, the first step that you need to do, you have to open up a browser and go to Google. In Google you have to type Python download. So the first link that will appear is the download page for Python. It is an official website. If you're installing it for Windows, you have to click this button to download the installer file. In case if you're installing it for different operating system, you have to click the respective link as shown over here. Since I'm installing it for Windows, I'm going to click this button and download the installer file on my laptop. So you can see installation file has been downloaded. I'm going to double click this file to start the installation process. Here two options are visible, one is install now, another is custom installation. I would recommend if you're starting up with Python, don't go with custom installation, go with install now. And here there is one more checkbox is there, add Python 3.8 to the path. You have to click this checkbox because if you don't do that, at the end of installation process you have to manually set the Python interpreter path to your environment variables. It's better to check this box so that you don't need to do that settings after installation process. Okay, I'm going to click install now. So you can see Python installation has started. Let's wait for a few minutes to get it finished. Alright, now setup has successfully completed. We are going to close this button. Now you have to go to command prompt of your Windows and check whether Python has been installed successfully or not. So you have to click Windows R key together. You have to type cmd. Now here you have to type Python. As you can see, the interpreter prompt has come up and the Python version that is installed is 3.8.2. I can simply type one Python. Welcome to Python, just to ensure that everything is working fine or not. Cool, now it has showed me a message, welcome to Python. So this way it ensures that Python has been successfully installed in your system, whether it's a laptop or a desktop or virtual machine. Congratulations guys, you have installed Python successfully. Now in next video we will see how you can install Python IDE, that is Visual Studio Editor, on your system. Alright guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can install Visual Studio Code on your system. You have to go to Google and type Visual Studio Code. The first link that will come up in Google search result, you have to click this link. So the website is code.visualstudio.com. You have to make sure you have clicked the right website. Here you can see a one download button for Windows is there. I'm going to click this button. In case if you are installing Visual Studio Code for different platforms, so there is another link mentioned just below this button, other platforms. So you have to click this link in case if you are not installing it in Windows. But I'm installing it on Windows, I'm going to click this button right away. So as you can see, the installer file download has been started, but I've already downloaded this installer file earlier, so I'm going to cancel this. And I'm going to go to a folder where my file is present. Go to downloads. So this is the installer file that I have already downloaded earlier. I'm going to click on this file. So there is one dialog box has come up. You have to accept the agreement. Click next. Leave this default path as it is. Click next. Click next. Click this create a desktop icon in case if you would like to have a desktop icon, and leave other checkbox as it is. Click next. Click install. So you can see installation process has been started. Let's wait for a couple of seconds to get it finished. Alright, installation has done successfully. I'm going to launch this Visual Studio Code right now. Just click finish. Alright guys, this is the welcome screen for Visual Studio Code. The next step that we need to do, we have to install the Python extension into this editor so that we can work with Python programming language. So you have to go to this extension tab and type Python over here. Click the first search result. Now on the right hand side you can see the plugin information has come up. You have to click install. Now you can see it is now installing Python plugin. Let's wait for a couple of seconds. Alright, now it is showing me one message, please reload Visual Studio Code to enable the updated extension. So we have to click this reload tab so that Visual Studio Code editor will be reloaded. Alright, now Visual Studio Code has been reloaded. Now you can write Python program into this editor and how you can run your program. You have to go to a folder. I've created one Python folder already, so I'm going to select that folder. Alright, so there's already file present hello.py. What I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new file inside this folder. Let's say test.py. One important point guys, you have to give an extension so that this IDE can recognize this is a Python file, because this IDE supports various programming languages, so we have to make sure that we should give right extension to our source code. I'm going to open this file. What I'm going to do, I'm going to type print hello world. Now on the right hand side, alright, on the right hand side there is a triangular button which is to run Python program. I'm going to click this triangular button and we'll see what will be the output of my Python program. Okay, now you can see the hello world has been printed onto the terminal. This is how guys you can write Python program into this Visual Studio Code editor, and this is how you run your programs. In the upcoming videos I'm going to talk more about this IDE features with different examples and also how you can use this IDE in an efficient manner to write good Python applications. Till then, goodbye. I'll see you in next video. Wish you a very happy learning. If you like this video, please don't forget to give thumbs up, and for getting more updated videos, please do subscribe this YouTube channel so that you will not miss any important video. Till then, stay tuned. Wish you a very happy learning. Goodbye.